Weather coverage you can count on with meteorologist Carson Meredith and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And here in North Alabama, we could see impacts from Ida as soon as Monday evening, and we'll keep a very close eye on that. We'll talk about more of those impacts in just a second. This evening, though, it's actually a pretty nice night. There's a look at the Wave 31 Skycam network right now. Plenty of sunshine. Temperatures warm out there, obviously. 86 in Huntsville, 85 in Decatur, 87 out in Guntersville, and still in the low 90s, 91 degrees right now in the Shoals. Looking at the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, it's a clean sweep from our 3 radar sites in the Shoals, Decatur, and Guntersville. I can't completely rule out an isolated shower this evening, but in general, most spots are going to remain dry, and that's the storyline for your Sunday, too. Here's tomorrow's day planner. Going to be back into the upper 70s by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. High temperatures topping out near 90, and we'll keep that 20 to 30% chance for an isolated shower storm tomorrow afternoon. I think the best chance to see a quick pop-up storm tomorrow will be west of I-65. Now let's shift our attention back to Hurricane Ida. There's that look of what's happening right now. This is an incredibly strong and organized storm. We're seeing rapid intensification. This will be a major hurricane at some point this evening. It's a Category 2 right now with winds up to 105 miles per hour, and we're already starting to see some impacts on the Gulf Coast. Our friends at Alabama the Beautiful, the fantastic Facebook group that sends in those photos. We have a great partnership with them. Jada Turner sent us this photo earlier today. This is from Gulf Shores. You can see the thick, dark cloud cover beyond the horizon, seeing a little bit of beach erosion as well. And we're not expecting significant direct impacts in Gulf Shores, but we could see some of those tropical storm force wind gusts on the Alabama coastline. The worst of the impacts will be in Louisiana. Here's the forecast track from the National Hurricane Center with future radar as well. The one thing I've noticed today is Ida looks to be speeding up just a little bit. There you see future radar. This is 6:30 tomorrow morning, staying at that major hurricane Category 3 status, making landfall tomorrow afternoon, very close to New Orleans as a Category 4 hurricane with sustained winds, according to the National Hurricane Center, close to 130 miles per hour. Unbelievable. Now watch this track. It turns back to the north and east. Keep an eye on the center of Ida. Where that center is going to decide our impacts here at home starting Monday evening and through the entire day on Tuesday. If the center of Ida stays off to our north and west, that means two things for us: heavy rain with flash flooding and the chance for a few spin-up tropical tornadoes, especially during the day itself on Tuesday. We can start to see impacts as early as Monday night. Very heavy rainfall with that tornado potential throughout the entire day on Tuesday, morning, afternoon, and night. And we'll finally start to quiet things down as we get towards Wednesday morning. Here's our rainfall forecast. And keep in mind, if that track changes ever so slightly, this will change our entire forecast. So we're going to keep fine-tuning this in the next couple of days. But where you see those yellow colors down near New Orleans, that's upwards of 15 inches of rainfall just in the next 24 to 48 hours down there. Back here at home, our highest rainfall totals will be closer to that center of Ida in northwestern Alabama. 4 to 5 inches of rain expected in the Shoals. The further east you go, the slightly lower rainfall amounts you'll see. The I-65 corridor, still significant amounts, 3 to 4 inches of rain here in the metro. And over towards Sand Mountain, those purple colors, that's around 2 to 3 inches of rainfall as Ida moves through early next week. Our main concern is going to be that heavy rain and flash flooding potential. That's a high risk. We could see some tropical tornadoes too. That's a medium risk. And even outside of the tornado threat and the flooding threat, we could still see some gusty winds upwards of 50 miles per hour as what's left of Ida skirts its way through North Alabama. We'll keep you updated. 90 degrees your high tomorrow with a chance for a few pop-up storms. And once Ida moves out early Wednesday, hey, the second half of the work week and Labor Day weekend looking pretty good. Sunny, highs in the mid-80s.